बता दिक्कत है इससे क्या पड़ा बोल रहा है ना बोले ना ये लगाते हैं पहले अब तो अधिकार दे सकता है
It's this.
क्या
Thanks, buddy. Thanks. Those is this something? Something for
मैं कैसे बनवाऊंगा
this. I'm from Greater Noida, buddy. I'm from Greater Noida. I think so. I have to run on this. This. Yeah, I know, buddy. I know. It is little bit slower. I know. Alright. So I am from Greater Noida. Uh, so what this mission is there is a character. All of that is playing computer game. So this game has character fights different monsters. Okay. A fight between the character and the monsters goes as follows. Suppose the character initializes as CF. Okay. So what is it? It is given that there is a character which is SC health, and then there is TC attack. No, no, it's Greater Noida, not Vijayawada. Uh, the monster usually has okay, so Okay, given the monster also, and it has action health and DM attack. Now a character attacks the monster, decreasing the monster health by DC. Yep. The character attacks the monster, decreasing the. Okay, so when character attack the monster, it decreases the monster health by DC, and when the monster attack the characters, decreasing the character health by DM. Okay, fine. The character attacks the monster, decreasing. Okay, the same line is repeated 2 times, and so on. Okay, the fight ends when someone health become non-positive, 0 or less. If the monster cells become non-positive, the character wins, otherwise the monster wins. Okay, monocrap character currently has a health equals to HC and attack equals to DC. He wants to slay a monster with the health equals to HM and attack equals to DM. Before the fight, monocrap can spend up to key coins to upgrade his health, a character weapon, or armor. Each upgrade costs exactly 1 coin. Okay, so monocrap. Monocrap has key coins and exactly 1 coin, and each weapon upgrade increases the character attack by W. So, so buying is given that buying what increases attack by W. Okay. So when I buy the upgrade, weapon upgrade, uh, character attack, so character attack increases by W. And each armor upgrade increases the character health by A. And if I buy the health, upgrade the character, if I buy in 1 coin, either I can up. Okay, so it is given that in 1 coin I can upgrade the health by W. No, attack by W. And in 1 coin I upgrade the health by A. Okay, so I would take some test cases, and the first line will contain the character health and character attack, and the second line contains the monster health and monster attack. Okay, the third line contains the three integer K, W, and A. So basically, W is the amount of health, amount of attack that is increasing when I buy it, and A is the health that is incrementing. Fine. So what I have to do in this question is I have to print yes or no if that monster is if it is possible to slay the monster by optimally choosing the upgrades. Otherwise, print no. Okay. Uh, so, okay. So I have to take the test cases I have already taken, and then what I want the health of character, comma, attack of character. And this is like health for attack. Now, what is the input size? It returns to for 50. So I have to take long, uh, long, long. Now this is for characters. Same for monster also. It is health monster, attack monster, or I have to remove this now. And this is health monster, attack monster. Okay. Now also there are three inputs, which is first one is coin, that how many coins I have. Then second one is the amount of attack that is upgraded when I buy it for one coin. And also the health. The third one is the health, which is 8. So I will take input long. First one is K, second one is W, third one is A. And then C in K, W, A. Okay. So also it is given that the maximum number of coin that a monochrome crab car can spend. Amount added to the character attack with each weapon upgrade and the amount added to the character health with each armor upgrade respectively. Okay. So it is given that if I use one coin or I have one coin, then I can only upgrade the attack or a health. Okay. So uh if I have two coins, then one coin I can use for upgrading my health and one coin I can use for upgrading my attack. Or I can also use that two coins for upgrading my health or maybe the attack. So I have to check all the possibilities, right? So what I know is I have total k number of coins. Okay. So I can use the for loop here. Or I know that maybe I have 0 coins or maybe I have total number of k coins. Fine. And now with that coin, I can buy W health, sorry, W attack and add it to the uh, original attack. Or also I can buy the A number of health. Okay. And I can add it into the character health. And after that, I will calculate that how many times I have to strike on monsters to win the game. Okay, so what I know is find the health after buying it for some amount of coins. Oh, what the hell? Coins. Okay. So initially, so if I have 2 points, uh, wait, uh, if I have 2 points, then I have three possibilities. Either I can buy zero attack or two health, or either I can buy two attack or zero health, or either I can buy zero health or zero attack. Sorry, one health or one attack. So I have to check all the possibility. So for checking all the possibility, what I can do is, so long, long, new health. So for new health, what I know is the original health of character is HC, health character, plus I can spend I number of coins and multiply it with what? I can multiply it with W, right? Will I multiply it with W? So what is W for? Okay, sorry. I will multiply it with A. So first I will multiply this and then. Now same I will do for attack also. So new attack is this. So this will be, so total I have K number of coins. And now I can spend I number of coins. So how many coins I have left? So K minus I coins are left. Okay, and now I can add it into the attack of character. Uh, and also I can multiply it with W because W will upgrade the attack. So I got new health and new attack. Now after that, I will calculate the count here, that how many times I have to strike two monster to win the game. So long, wait, long, count two. Or initially it will be zero. Or I can calculate it like this. So I know that what I know. If my new health is something, right? And monster can attack with AM, so I can divide it by AM to know how many times monster have to strike to put my health less than equals to zero. Okay. And if I want to know how many times I have to strike the monster to put their health less than equals to zero, so what I will do is whatever the monster health is, SM, and I will divide it with new uh, attack because I will upgrade my attack. And after that, I will check if my count, because I am attacking and my count is stored in count. If my attack is lesser than count 1, it means that I will win. Count, see out, or else what happen is monster will win, right? Let's check. Mm, I got so many input. Or will I copy? So I have four test cases now. So I will take four test cases. In first test case, I will get the health of character or a health of monster. After that, sorry, attack of character. After that, I will get the health of monster and attack of monster, which is 920. And then I will get K, W, and A. So is it K, W, or A now? Yeah, it's K, W, and A. And it is given in the question that W is the character attack. So yeah, and after that, I got so many outputs. So when I is equals to 0, means I will spend 0 coin on health, sorry, 0 coin on attack, or will it be attack or health? A will be health, na? So I will spend 0 coin on health. The original health of the character will be stored in a new one. And after that, I will calculate the new attack, which is the previous attack plus whatever the coin that I have left. So as I spend 0 coins here, I will get, if suppose the coins will be 2, then I will get 2 minus 0, which is 2. And I can multiply it with whatever the attack value. So I will get total this amount of attack, and I will add it into the original attack. Now, as this is my new health, I can divide with monster attack to get that how many times the monster have to strike to put my health less than equals to 0. Okay. And after that, there is health of monster, and I can divide it with my new attack to get that how many times it will divide, right? So either I can subtract it or divide it. Both will do same thing. Ne? It will give me direct answer. I will check if my count is less than count 2 is less than count 1. It means that monster have to strike more than myself. I got C out, yes, otherwise C out, no. So what's the problem? I get so many outputs. I got wrong answer also. Will I put it equals to also? Or will I have to put break here? Break here because if I win, then I have to stop the loop, no? Maybe. Yes, no, yes, and I got no also. So I have to remove this. What's wrong? Will I have to take seal value or a floor value? Is it? So suppose if I consider 25. So now 25. In the first example, Monocap can spend 1 coin to upgrade the weapon and damage will be equals to 5. Okay. So it has 25 and then damage equals to 5. It will be increased. And now 25 comma 9 will be the value. Now what is the monster's health and attack? So first one is the monster's health and second one is the monster attack. So it can strike with 20 power. Okay. 25,9, then 25,4, and now he can attack with 20. I got 4 here. In first monocap, spend 1 points to upgrade weapon and damage will be equals to 5. So what is so this is health of character, this is health of monster. So he can attack with 9. In first process, I have I have 25. Let me check. अरे सर बढ़िया 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 भाई अरे भगवान 25 and 4. So this is the character health and second one is the character attack. Now 9 is the monster health and this is monster attack. Now suppose if I consider the attack, so monster will require only 2 times to strike me. So if I strike me with okay, so if I want to know, okay, so if I divide it with 20, it show that I want only, so monster want only 1 strike, but actually it wants 2 strikes. So basically, I have to take the seal value rather than floor. So, that I have to take seal value here. So am plus 1, sorry, am minus 1, am minus 1. सर अरे अरे भाई भाई मोबाइल आएगा तब आ पाऊंगा ना मोबाइल नहीं है मोबाइल नहीं है अभी तो भाई जॉब लगी है, इसके बाद देखा जाएगा अभी तो खेलेंगे बाद में खेलेंगे कभी so will it be -1 or +1? सर प्लीज हमें इंटरनेट क्या बोल रहा है भाई अरे बहुत सा आया हुआ है स्ट्रीमिंग पे कह रहा है भाई कब खेलोगे Uh, let's see. It's B-1. I'm doing right. And what's wrong? It for this case, I will get no. So what is this case? S- So the character health is 2, 9, and attack is 2. Monster health is 69 and attack is 2. अब क्या लेकर आ क्या लेकर आ भाई क्या चल रहा है वैसे काम धंधा कैसा चल रहा है काम धंधा 47 okay so I have 4 coins. I have 4 coins and when I buy the what buy the Hmm. tech initially I will use what's wrong in this I want yes but I will get no for some reason कट रही है भाई हमारी भी कटी रही है अब कोई भी नहीं खेलता है क्या कोई भी नहीं खेलता अब यस नो यस नो good no so suppose when I is equals to 0 when I is equals to 0 it means that I can W will be added to attack and HC will be help A will be added to help okay so I got I is equals to 0 and now character health will be 9 initially and now I can multiply it with whatever the coins that I have so basically I don't have coin so health will be 9 now I will calculate the new attack will be which is initially 2 and then I can multiply with k minus I so total I have 4 coins so basically I have to multiply it with 4 into 4 into something 4 into what so W so what is W here W is basically 7 or something else 2 initially it will be 2 so I got the 4 into 2 8 plus 10 which is 10 so initially the character health will be character health sorry initially the character health will be 9 and the character attack will be 10 and at that time the monster health will be 69 and monster attack will be 2 oh basic I don't have to put no here there is only yes if I win I will put yes because at that time the player will player will lost but at certain point when I increase the health by some time then maybe my player will win so that's right when there is no possibility it means that when loop get over and till that point if my character is not win then I have to put no I think so so what my I got so many outputs 633C. 1633C. Something went wrong.
No me digas de nada. Guardar nuevamente algo. Cuando usted sabe, una vez que me pasó algo, si usted tuvo que buscar todo, todo ya lo tiene todo. Son inevitables.
Stuck with this question and this question. I will see it later. Let's see. It is B2. Missing number. You are given all number between 1, 2 and except what? Your task is to find the missing number. Okay. I think so. This will be the easy question.
Bahua, anak-anak tuh. Ini belum apa apa. Ini kalau benar benar konsepnya.
So there is an input or there is only one test case, right? So I have to know this. So it is given that there is an input and there is vector. Okay. Vector int. So constraint will be 20 to 10 raised to power 5. So I will take int and there is nums. Vector int. I don't know what the hell is this. N comma 0. Okay. Not 0. I'll put pen here. And now okay. It is XOR one. If I found the XOR of so what I was observing is that what I want. It is given in the question that there are total n distinct characters. Okay. So suppose if I take n is equals to 5, then there will be n distinct character which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now what I also know is that one character is missing. So there are only 4 characters left, which is 2, 3, 1 and 5. One thing I also know is that there is a XOR property that if A is or A, if both A are equal, I got 0. So it means that what I want is there is only one unique character and other characters are duplicate, right? So if I do one XOR 2 XOR or if I take the XOR of all the elements that is present here, I think so. So if I take the XOR of all the elements, so I got 1 XOR, 2 XOR, 3 XOR, 4 XOR, 5, and now I will take the XOR of this element and I will store it in some variable, suppose A, and this will store in some variable B. And now if I take the XOR of both A and B, now what happen is all the duplicate element because of this XOR property will become 0. So 1 is present here, so this will get removed and this will get removed. And now 2 will also present in both, so both will get removed. Now 3 will also present in both, 3 will get removed. 5 is also present, so 5 will get removed. Now I will left with 4, which is the missing number. So maybe this will work. I think so. So let's see. So I will find the int XOR 1, which is initially 0, and I will iterate over an array, which starts from, sorry, not iterate over an array or traverse over an array. I will find the XOR of n elements. Okay. So XOR 1 is equals to XOR 1 XOR whatever the I value is. And after that int XOR 2 which is equals to 0. I'll find int I is equals to, or will I already it is given that num dot size XOR 2 is equals to XOR 2, and I will take XOR of nums of I, and after that int answer which is equals to XOR 1 XOR 2, and I will print whatever the cout answer. So I think so this will work. Let's run it. So it is given that there is 5 and 2, 3, 1, 5. Okay, what's the issue? What's the issue? XOR 2. Mouse dot size. What it required? Oh, I'll keep it up. You're doing a great job. Can you give any tips for beginners in CP? I'm also beginner, buddy. I'm also beginner. I'm also learning. The only tip that you have to follow is just focus on practicing more and more question and give contest rather than focusing on lectures. So I have to take one more input. So it will come because of this, I think so. So I will take the array of n minus 1. Then maybe it will work. 5, 2, 3, 1, and then 5. Yeah, I got the right answer. So I have to submit it. We'll see. And let's I copy this question. So, see, I'm controlling. Submit. Okay, I have to submit the answer now. Choose language C++. आ रहा DSA. This will be references. Yeah, let's see, P2 or something. Where the hell is this question? Hmm, CPP. Okay. CPA. Get accepted. It will get accepted. Fine. But will it pass all the cases and everyone with this? So I think so. I want some break because I have to eat something. So we will meet soon. Till now, just do whatever you want. Start a screen. Where is intermission? Here it is. Oh, it's so weird. So I have to do something. I have to write something. Yeah.
नहीं उनका नहीं है प्रोजेक्ट देखिए हम देखते हैं मैं अभी कुछ अपने तो उनसे तो नहीं चल पा रहा है बस ना बोलिए कि नहीं काटी नहीं है बोले काय नहीं काटी कब नहीं हमें क्या ना कब खाएंगे खाना एक कब में उनकी नहीं करते हैं उसे कब लीजिए थोड़ा कुछ थोड़ा टेक्सचर को लाइन लगा धीरे धीरे देने का कुछ और नहीं एक हाँ तो ऐसे जंग जैसा कंडा लग रहा है कहाँ जगह जगह तो मुड़ा के क्या हो रहा है क्या दिन तक बस कर रहे हैं जो कि हाथ से लगे तो हम जोड़ नहीं पाते काम भी कोई नहीं खाया तुम काम तो दिख रहा है दिख रहा है अरे तो क्यों है हमने बताया नहीं खाया अरे एगो पीस तो खाओ कम से कम आएगो नहीं देता खाने खाओ तो फिर हम खा लेंगे